Hi, Sophie Bear. Shiksa, what is she wearing? She's a vision of loveliness. I don't think she likes it. She's Houdini trying to get it off. This is Sophie in her new Christmas outfit. I don't think she appreciates it.
No, probably not.
But she still thinks she looks cute.
She just needs to get used to it a little bit. There she goes. She'll forget all about it. She'll forget she's even wearing it.
Anytime I use spinach, I use a little bit of nutmeg. It brings out the flavor in any dark green. If you're making spinach, kale, collard, a little bit of nutmeg really highlights the flavor of the greens. To keep everything together, a couple of egg yolks.
I see you, Sophie. I still think she's trying to get it off.
Yeah, looks like it.